Have you ever wanted to create professional marketing videos for your products, but don't have the budget for studios, cameras, or models? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make stunning marketing videos with AI, fast, easy, and affordable. And as an example, we'll be making a video for this sports jersey, New Jersey Drop. Lightweight, breathable, and built for performance. Look sharp, play hard, stay unstoppable. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or Safari, whichever you prefer. Before we jump into AI tools, the first step is to prepare your product photo. You have two options. Download an official product photo from the brand's online store or website, or take your own picture of the product. Make sure the photo is clear, well lit, and shows the product from the front. This image will be the base for our AI video. Now open your browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. Next, go to the AI tool of your choice. In this tutorial, I'll use Gemini, but Runway, Kyber, or even Gemini can also work. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option to upload an image or enter a text prompt. Since we already prepared a product photo, let's upload it here. This helps the AI understand what our product looks like. Then, type a prompt like this: a high-quality fashion showcase video of a mannequin using clothes like on the picture. Okay, now let's see the preview. Here's our jersey video, rotating smoothly, just like a professional studio shoot. As you can see, the AI brings our product photo to life, making it look dynamic and engaging. Once you're happy with the result, click the download button to save the video to your computer. This will give us the raw video file that we'll use for editing. Now, open your browser and go to ElevenLabs.io. Sign in or create a free account if you don't have one yet. Click on Voice Lab or Text to Speech. Paste the script you wrote earlier into the text box. Choose a voice style, for example, energetic, professional, or casual, and then click Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll have a natural-sounding voice over ready to download. New Jersey Drop. Lightweight, breathable, and built for performance. Look sharp, play hard, stay unstoppable. If the generated voice sounds good and matches your brand style, click Download to save the audio file to your computer. Now we have both the product video and the voice-over ready. Next, open CapCut Desktop. Create a new project and import the jersey video along with the voice-over file you just downloaded. Drag the video onto the timeline, then place the voice-over audio beneath it. Adjust the timing so the narration matches the product rotation. Once your video and voiceover are synced, it's time to finish. Click on Export, choose MP4 format, and select Full HD or 4K for the best quality. And now, let's try playing the final result. Here's our professional marketing video, made from a simple product photo, brought to life with AI, edited with CapCut, and ready to share with the world. New Jersey Drop. Lightweight, breathable, and built for performance. Look sharp, play hard, stay unstoppable.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more tutorials.